So if you're sending the ECU to us via postal service, this is pretty much how you take the ECU out. First off, you've got to take off the panels, the surrounds. Seat will also have to come off first. You've got one bolt at the front of the ECU carrier. This guy just pops out like so. You can forward this. You can edit. Ta-da! And then I'll make a snips up. Then we got to roll the ECU forward. There's a cable tie which I've already snipped off, which is here. You snip this guy off, and then very gently, make sure you don't cut your wiring loom now. There's another cable tie just lives right in here. I'm not sure whether you can see it there.
Stop 1 second here.
Yeah. That's a bit you'll be using. And then we can turn the ECU sideways. Remove the secondary air injection function, like so, and then slide this guy out like so. Give it a little wiggle, they can be tight. And then same again on this side. Slide this guy like this, and out she comes. So once the ECU is out of the way, we can access the air filter and the front of the airbox. So we just need to pop off this little guy here, little push clip. Just pop him out, don't lose him. And then slide this guy out. Pop these two clips off, like so. Just watch the tank breathers as well. And it's a little bit of jiggery pokery. This can also apply for changing your air filter as well. So there's the air filter. Nice and fresh, only put in yesterday I believe. And then what we need to get to is this fella. There's some restriction. So when this is removed, we get more airflow straight through the front of the frame. You might be able to see it there. And it will go straight into the air filter and then into the airbox. Installation of the air filter is reversive removal, but just be careful of the tank breathers. You don't want to catch these guys, otherwise you'll have a vapor lock tank. Just make sure that they still move and they're actually not restricted or caught in anything. Two clips back on.